Ruby Tubby. So, for this video, I'm going to be using this cookbook. It's been a while since I had it. And let me get the recipe page. It's easier if I do it off screen. And I'm going to be trying out this low-carb chocolate chip cookie recipe. There's the nutrition thing. Now, there is a couple little typos, like it says to bake them for 1 minute. So it's going to take a little try. Actually, what I baked them for worked fine. So first, I need to set the oven to 360, as close as I can get to 360. Now to chop up some dark chocolate. So I actually have to make my own dark chocolate chunks for these cookies. And it actually calls for 72%. I got 70. Okay, now in this bowl I put in the eggs. And the butter. That looks weird. And the vanilla. Now just use the little back and forth motion to try and mix it. And for some reason I had trouble getting that little piece of yolk you can see going around to mix in. Lovely color from that vanilla, huh? Okay, now for the almond flour, the stevia with a little bit of salt added to it, and baking powder. Oh, almost forgot the chocolate. I'm going to use a whisk it just says to mix them together. I think a whisk might work better. And it did until all the chocolate and everything got stuck in them. And just incorporating. Okay. And I'm going to use the spatula. And you probably can't tell that big black bar on the side there is actually supposed to be a bar of chocolate. My little component thing all of a sudden put everything in dark shadows. Now I've got some baking paper on a baking sheet. And the recipe actually says to make 20 cookies on it, so I'm just going to scoop them out and see how much I have. Actually, it says to roll them. I don't think I can roll this. This stuff is so liquidy. Yeah. And just keep dipping them out. While I was doing this, I actually got a little annoyed because I dropped some mixture down the front of the stove. And I have a germ thing. So raw eggs on something. Nope. Oh, that's not 20 cookies. Okay. So I need to get another baking tray and some more parchment paper. That's what I'm doing. There we go. Roll up. Okay. Bowl and scoop out some more. I said get the bowl and scoop out some more. Let's see. 2 rows at 4 should be enough. Should be. That'd be 20. I'm so good at math. One more. And this last one actually had no chocolate in it. It's also the one I picked up and ate at the end, which was lovely. Tastes like a biscuit. And now I try to figure out how to get these 2 trays into the oven because they don't fit like I thought they would. And let me just... I end up figuring out off screen. I moved them around and everything couldn't get it, so I turned the camera off and there you can see me moving them, trying to... Okay, there we go. And I baked them for 12 minutes. And they turned out good. Personally, I think I should have used just chocolate chips, not the dark chocolate. And there it is. See, that's all. No, this thing was just, it was like eating a low-carb biscuit. If I plucked out the sweetener, this probably make a good little biscuit recipe too. Thanks for watching.